All right, guys, today's topic is gonna be weight loss. And I'm gonna share with you guys about my journey, about gaining weight, how I felt about it, and my experience with having weight on my body, how it affected me emotionally, mentally, physically, and all that good stuff. So I hope you're ready, and I'm gonna get into the program. All right, guys, so today I want to share with you guys my experience about weight gain. Well, I was always in okay shape before I had Delina. I have never been, overweight, you can say, but having Delina, it got me to be pretty big. I got big in a sense. I mean, yes, I was healthy for my baby, but I've gained a lot of weight. I was my heaviest. I was 193 pounds. That was pretty big. It's so, I think, how did I felt about when I had Delina? I remember feeling like, okay, well, she is out and I am left with this excess body weight. And I remember feeling uncomfortable. I felt, although I knew in my head I just had a baby, but for some reason it was like I was looking on the mirror, I felt uncomfortable what I was looking at, and I felt ashamed, and I remember feeling insecure about my body. And of course my husband always told me like, you look beautiful, and which was so nice to hear, but deep inside I remember feeling like uncomfortable. The way I looked, the way I felt. I remember just opening my closet. It made me felt like nothing fit, right? And I just felt like sad. I felt sad about my weight gain. I felt kind of like, oh my God, did I let myself go? Should I have eaten healthier? As a new mom, when you're pregnant and for my case, I want this child so bad for so many years, and I didn't want to put my body through no strict diet. So I allow myself to eat what I was feeling. And so I felt guilty afterwards, feeling like I overate maybe certain things. And so I had this I was feeling all over with my body, and some days I tell myself, I say, don't be mean to myself, and another day I'm like, oh my God, I'm so fat, I'm so big, and I felt really, really, I don't know, I felt sad about my body, feeling, overweight, and so I just remember wanting to fix it, wanting to change it. I remember feeling uncomfortable and self-conscious. I remember going outside and I would put a big jacket, but I just felt like I need to hide my body. I just had a baby, but that was what I was feeling. And your emotional is up and down as a new mom anyways. I just felt uncomfortable in my own skin. And that was really hard, being a new mom and having to have excess weight. I just didn't feel confident. I didn't feel good about myself. That was tough. That was really tough. Okay, let me see. What else did I say? Uncomfortable. I said some feeling. Oh, that's about clients. Okay, yeah. People want to wait because they are trying to fix emotional. So what's so interesting is that my weight gain and my weight loss journey had taught me so much, and I even see that in my clients, where their weight loss journey it's a very emotional, and it's for some people it's trying to fix some emotional feelings, and some people they've been through something. Everyone is so different, right? But we use food to cope with things. And it's like food is like drugs, right? It makes you feel good for a second and just numb your pain, numb your emotional feelings, stress, anxiety, all those things that you feel by yourself. But yet you know that it makes you feel even worse afterwards. And so I call it drugs because it is drug. Although it's good for you, food is good for you, but there's certain food that makes you feel so sad and makes you feel bad about yourself. And so I use my experience to sort of like help empower my clients. And I know that emotional feelings of, you don't see the changes in your body, right? You want to fix it immediately, but you have to be patient with yourself, right? Patient is so key. It's so funny because we don't have patience when it comes to ourselves. We want to do it now and we want to fix it now. And when you can't fix it immediately, you go back to your old habits, right? You want to do things that makes you feel good immediately. And so weight loss journey is a roller coaster. It's up one day, down another day. And there is no rules, there is no guidance. It's person to person, how you deal with it. I think in able to see changes in your weight loss and to become a better, myself, to be a better person. Granted, I have experience and I am, in the health industry and I'm a personal trainer, but foremost, I'm human, just like everybody else. And I go ups and downs in my life. And so this was an experience that I had to learn to be patient with myself, but to also start changing my habits, my eating habits, my workout habits, my sleeping habits, I have to adjust each of those things and able for me to see progress. And also I have to constantly remind myself that I am doing great at everything, being a mommy, a new mom, being on diet or changing my eating habits and becoming a better myself, being healthier. This goes to all my clients. I teach them the same way I taught myself to lose all the weight after I gained having my daughter, is that to be patient, but also love yourself now, right? Be kind to yourself, to accept yourself, and then start changing a little bit of the habits that helped you get to where you are, right? And habits are learned, so we have to unlearn those things. And that means that you have to introduce yourself new things, like eating healthier, getting rid of things that makes you feel, bad. Drink more water, sleep, exercise, and all those things are new habits, and they're not easy. Sometimes you do them good, sometimes you don't. But what matters is that you do it anyways. You don't stop, and you just be consistent every day. Do your best that you could be, one day at a time. I tell people, you just do one day at a time, because tomorrow is not here. So don't worry about tomorrow. Don't worry about next month. Today is the day. And so honestly, it helped me to just focus on being healthy, mentally, emotionally, physically, because I was allowing myself to be patient with myself. And to all my clients, I do the same thing. I tell them, be patient. You're doing great at everything, right? So consistency and being loving to yourself first, because your body is carrying you up to this point. Your body is amazing. Your body is great. And guess what? If your body can carry you with all this weight, your body will carry you with a healthier body too. And so the key here is to love yourself, and not just love yourself, but to accept yourself and start changing. Changes happen within ourselves, not outside of ourselves, really. So that's the important thing. I have to allow myself to change from the inside so that the outside of me can change too. And so it's a metaphor, but you can use that for anything in life. because you can use it to your career, your weight loss and relationship. Everything happens within ourselves, because I think being accountable to yourself on weight loss, or accountability on like wanting to be healthier, it's not somebody else, it's you. So once you accept the things that you want to change, which is from the inside, and then the outside just manifests itself. And so if you are on a weight loss journey or on a healthy lifestyle change, what have you done to change your mindset? And also share with us, what tips can you give us that helped you achieve your goals? This is a community we're building together so that we can support each other. And for me, it was accepting where I was. And I said to myself, today's the day that I'm gonna eat healthy, I'm gonna sleep, I'm gonna drink water, I'm not gonna have, coffee with sugar and milk. Not eating out, eating healthier. So that was my motivation, was to just take one day at a time, but I start accepting and loving myself so that I can have a better, healthy life and a body that I wanted. So leave me a message, leave a comment below, share some tips that helped you lose the weight or stay, healthier. So I would love to hear from you guys. My advice that I can give to you guys is that, first of all, let me just say, it's not easy. So don't go into it thinking that it's easy. It's not, but I assure you, it will get better. And you will lose the pound each day. You'll see shrinking, shedding, all that layer. You have to be patient with yourself. You have to give yourself time, because you don't gain weight overnight. So don't expect yourself to lose it all overnight. So accept where you are, start working one day at a time, and I promise you, you'll get there. Stay motivated, stay healthy. You deserve a better, healthy body, because you are worth it. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate you for all the love and support. Till next time, take care.